Right, let's focus on the other top story to an alleged rape, and it's brutal off the mark. Dramatic pictures, disturbing ones coming in from Aligarh in Uttar Pradesh, where people protesting an alleged rape and murder of a 6-year-old clashed with the police.
Those pictures speaking for themselves. The police retaliated using brute force, beating up elderly women and children. They are defending their action. The violence after a 6-year-old girl's body was found in a garbage dump. She went missing in the morning. Her family alleges that she was raped before strangled to death. 2 constables have now been suspended and the circle officer has been transferred.
3:30 बजे लड़की गायब होती है, सुबह 5 बजे उसकी बॉडी मिलती है, 7 बजे ये डिमांड होती है कि आप जो अभियुक्त हैं वो पकड़े जाने चाहिए और बलात्कार होना चाहिए, और उसके बाद पुलिस पर वो होता है। तो 2 घंटा के अंदर में कहीं की पुलिस अर्ली मॉर्निंग कैसे किसी को ढूंढ पाएगी? ये जो विजुअल्स चल रहे हैं जिस पर कि महिलाओं पर लाठी चलाने की बात है, इस पूरे घटनाक्रम में कि जाम जो हुआ पुलिस ने जो बल प्रयोग किया, इन सारे एस्पेक्ट्स को जो है के बारे में जांच करेंगे।
The way UP police has treated the family of a victim, a 6-year-old child who got lost, and they did not even register a case. They did not even try to do any kind of investigation, and the family goes to protest. Then they are brutalizing the family. They have beaten up the woman. What kind of a police brute force, insensitive brute force that UP police has become?
अलीगढ़ में सारी सीमाएं तोड़ रही है वहां की पुलिस यूपी में। आज जंगल राज जैसी स्थिति उत्तर प्रदेश में हो गई है। पुलिसिया राज है, महिलाओं को और बच्चों को भी पीटा जा रहा है। जो प्रोटेस्ट करने गए उसके माता पिता तक को मारा गया। ये बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। मुलायम सिंह जी को सख्ती करनी चाहिए।
लॉ एंड ऑर्डर हमारा बहुत दुरुस्त चल रहा है, और जो और कमियां हैं, कर्मचारी की कमी है, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर की कमी नहीं है। जो कार्यकर्ता या कर्मचारी कोई कानून व्यवस्था को अपने हाथ में, कानून को हाथ में लेता है, तो उसके खिलाफ हम सख्त कार्रवाई करते हैं।
Maria Shakil is tracking that story. She now joins us on the phone line for more on this. Maria, we do believe the Uttar Pradesh government and the administration has woken up both to the incident and the outrage only after media pressure, and now there's some realization that this was excessive force. Maria, I'll just repeat my question. I do believe some police officials have now come on record to indicate that this was excessive use of force and they are sorry.
That's right, Anubha. There is an acceptance within the UP police now that the way Aligarh police dealt with the entire matter, the way they managed the crowd, the way they could have done it maybe perhaps in a better way, and that the Aligarh police in fact crossed the limit in tackling the crowd. What we have been told now is that action has been taken. 2 constables have been suspended and a circle officer has been transferred as well. What we have been told is that the ADG Law and Order, Mr. Arun Kumar, has in fact asked for a report that has to be submitted within the 3 days. There is an understanding within the police that they could have perhaps offered some kind of restraint and practiced it in a particular way. There is a protocol that there has to be women constables who should be there on the ground whenever they are dealing with such a situation which is volatile. What we have been told also is that the protesters initially were largely peaceful, and it was post that they saw the presence of police increasing that they started retaliating, and then it became a little violent. But the images that you're seeing on the screen, Anubha, clearly are violent images. Police officers pushing women and children as well.
Thanks very much, Maria, for bringing us up to date with that story.